Today I'm going to show you how to do the brim stitches on the Tate Bonnet. So I've already done a full repeat here, so you can see the pattern. And here I'm starting a round 2 repeat, which will be, so I've done the single crochet first here, and then I'll be single crocheting into the back loop of the next stitch. Like that. And then for your next stitch, you'll be doing the front loop double crochet into this area right here in between the stitches. Like that. And then it'll make it so it falls right in between the 2 posts from the previous round, and it gives you that nice texture. So then you want to make sure on the back that you're only skipping 1 stitch. So here's the one right behind the front post double crochet, and then this is the next one that you are going to be back loop single crocheting into. So it'll look like that. And then again, you're just repeating. So you're skipping 1 space here, and then this is where you'll put your next front post double crochet. And you'll just repeat that across. I've got the brim done, and now I'm going to start on the half double crochet waistcoat round. So the previous round you're doing back post half double crochet, which twists the stitch a little bit. So when you're going through the center of the stitch, you've got to dig your hook in a little bit. So you're going through the center of the previous half double crochet stitch, and then you're going to half double crochet like normal. So it's just like single crochet waistcoat stitch, but you're just doing half double crochets instead. So you just dig your hook into the center of the stitch, and they'll look like that. And so I'm going to complete this round and then show you how to reduce 2 of those together. Okay, I finished up that round, so that's what it will look like. And then this row I will show you how to do half double crochet waistcoat stitch together, and then the standard half double crochet waistcoat stitch when the stitches aren't twisted. So we're going to be doing the first 2 together. So what you do is you yarn over and then stick your hook through the top loop here, and then same thing on the next stitch. So it'll look like that. And you've got 2 loops from 2 separate stitches, yarn over, pull through, and then make a half double crochet. So now you've reduced those 2 together, and then for the next 3 stitches, I'm doing the adult size, you're going to be doing a standard waistcoat stitch. So you stick your hook through the center of the stitch below and make a half double crochet. So it'll look like that. So here's the 2 together, and then 1, 2, 3 regular waistcoat stitches, and then I'll show you how to reduce it one more time. So you're sticking it through the loop on the first stitch, and then the loop on the second stitch. Yarn over, pull through, make a half double crochet. Maybe. There we go. And then you'll just repeat that around.